Have you ever wondered what actually makes things move? Why does a ball roll when you kick it? Or why do you feel pushed back when a bus suddenly stops? The answer lies in a fundamental concept of physics: force. In simple terms, a force is a push or a pull acting on an object. It can make things start moving, stop, speed up, slow down, or change direction. When you push a box, you apply force. The more force you use, the faster it moves. But if that box is heavy, you'll need even more force. This idea is captured by Newton's second law. Force equals mass times acceleration. Even gravity is a force, pulling everything toward Earth. That's why dropped objects fall down. There are many types of forces: gravitational force, friction, magnetic force, and etc. So, force is all around us. It shapes how everything moves. From launching rockets to simply picking up your phone, it's all about force. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments.